I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dance. I heard that old jukebox playing a song called The Truck Driving Man. The waitress brought me some coffee. I thanked her but called her back again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I am a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put another nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Climbed on back aboard my old semi, and then like a flash I was gone. I get them old truck wheels a rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. Pour me another cup of